Y'all...
Yeah, we're doing YouTube.
What is it?
Pat's Garage Online and Carshow Rell.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Look, Pat got all types of fans, man. You know the IA with the doors up, it go crazy. It brings everybody up, man. That drama, that's what I'm talking about.
Boy, today I got a surprise for you. We got Carshow Rell here, and if you want to check out his channels, definitely do so, because he just got a chance to ride in the i8 with me.
Oh, yeah, I felt that. Felt that in my stomach.
So tell me a little bit more about the channels that you have, Rell.
Yep. So my channel, Rell Purnell, aka Carshow Rell. I started the channel pretty much putting out my journey. My goal about a couple years ago was to start filming myself, and I said in 10 years or 20 years, when I become whoever I become in the future, I'm gonna release all these videos from 2018 on up, showing people what I had to go through to get to where I'm at. Right, so 2020 came, and man, the whole world was in shambles. So I said, you know what? Why wait? Because tomorrow isn't promised. I'm gonna start releasing my journey now and just take everybody with my journey. So I started recording, picked up the camera, having Bentley content, luxury car content, car tests, all types of cars, right? Car drives, test drives. And also about business. I'm an entrepreneur. I run a luxury concierge company here in the DMV area. And I kind of put it all out there for people to see what I'm about, what I'm into, and I'm bringing people on my channel as well, such as Pat, of course, yeah. The man himself. I'm bringing a couple of my clients on. Other entrepreneurs, and we're really just giving game, talking success, we talking money, we talking financial stuff, and also Car Talk TV, a new venture that I created with E-Vapors, who I met online. He's on the same level that I'm on. He's about the same thing I'm about, money, cars, motivation, success, giving game and giving jewels. So you guys check out Rell Purnell, aka Carshow Rell, that's my personal channel, and also Car Talk TV, and we also got an interview with Pat on there as well.
That's great, Rell. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to not only, spend some time with you, because we've talked for a long time. And, E-Vapors introduced both of us, and I had an opportunity to be on Car Talk TV, and it was awesome. So, getting a chance to hook up with him for the first time today is great. And like I said, check out his videos, link in the description below, because he has a lot of car content, as well as what I just experienced is giving him a ride in his car for the first time. Yeah. Now let's take this a different way. I'm gonna give him the keys to the i8, and I'm gonna see exactly what he thinks of driving the i8 for the first time. Let's hop in.
Let's do it. Oh. Nice.
Yeah.
And we should be running, right?
Absolutely. That's the only thing about electric is you don't know whether it's running or not. You're on. You're actually on. So in order to put it in drive, you just got to pinch this in and then pull straight back, and you're in drive.
And it's super comfortable.
Yeah.
It's not like, riding in a Lamborghini where you're sitting straight up, you're uncomfortable. The seats are nice. As I always give the disclaimer, I'm a small guy, but I got a lot of space. This feels like a luxury sports car.
So what do you think of it being quiet and nimble?
I like it. I've been a luxury guy for the past 10 years, so it's right up my alley.
Yep. Yeah, feel free to bring it into that sport mode whenever you're ready. You just have to pull that stick to the left.
Let's see what it's about to do. Ooh. Now we in paddle shifting mode.
Yeah, you can be, or you can leave it. Right now it's in sport automatic.
Okay.
But as soon as you use the paddle shifters, it'll put it in manual.
All right, as soon as we come out this corner, guys, I'm gonna give it a little bit of juice. That was just a little bit.
Yeah.
That was just a little bit.
Yep.
Man, I see why you and E-Vapors love this car.
We do.
I see why. We got a little straightaway, just a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah. Oh man.
So what's the fastest thing you've ever driven, Rell?
Aston Martin Vanquish.
Ah, that's nice.
Yeah, that thing was super fast, convertible.
And that's got to be a totally different experience than this.
Yeah, for sure. But you know, I mean, this is no slouch, man. This is no slouch. I like it. Look, man, my first impressions of this car, I love it. I mean, I'm a car enthusiast at heart, so I almost love every car that I get behind the wheel of.
Stop sign here, you're gonna make a right.
All right. Nice. You got the little burbles.
Yeah.
So the exhaust, that's what you done, right?
All I did is take the valve out, open the valve, and that's it. Now I'm gonna do more exhaust work on it, but all I did was that's the valve. That's just the valve. So you do have sound augmentation inside this car.
Okay.
So it will generate a fake engine noise, but when that valve's open, it actually makes it louder coming out of the exhaust than it does in the interior, because they really wanted to reduce the sound that the car generated in order to meet EU regulations on sound that they actually have over there.
Okay.
So I opened that up, and you'll also hear the turbo more now. You'll actually hear the turbo spooling more.
Yep.
And that's
so I didn't know this car had turbos.
Yes, this car has turbo. Yep.
How many?
Just one.
This one. Okay.
Just one. It's hard to take a 3-cylinder and put twin turbos on it because it's an odd number.
Right. Yeah. True. Very true.
Now the Gemera, the Koenigsegg Gemera is designed that way, but it's going to have 2 exhaust outlets per cylinder.
Man, that Gemera is gonna be sick.
Yeah.
They
definitely.
saying it's going to have like 1,800 horsepower.
Oh, it's going to
like
be
that?
crazy. Yeah.
Man, I love it. One last one. Man, I like it.
So you'd buy one?
I would.
Cool.
I
Very
definitely
cool.
would. I definitely would. And this is coming from, you know, a guy who loves Aston Martins. I love Lamborghinis. You know, I love Bentleys. I never considered an i8. And that's probably because, you know, I never driven one. But now, yeah, definitely. Definitely, regardless of the critics. There's critics out there saying, oh, you know, the i8 isn't a supercar. Yeah, I never said that it was a supercar. But, you know, it does have the features. You know, got the drama doors. It's fast and nimble in the corners. You know, obviously, I'm no pro at handling this vehicle because it's not my own. But, you know, the way you were pushing it, it's like, man, you know, it leans in the corners. Leans, it handles well. It's fast. It's, you know, it has tons of torque. But also it's efficient when you want it to be efficient. So, you know, it's kind of like the best of both worlds. And it's comfortable. Like, I love comfortable cars. I love comfortable cars. You know, so thumbs up. Thumbs up, BMW. But, you know, the things that can be finicky in it, you know, that's a thing that you got to take into consideration. You know, and the fact that they're not building anymore. So it's not like, okay, and you know, in the next 5 years, they're going to build, you know, in the next 2 years, let's use that example, you know, they're going to build a much better car.
That's right.
It's not happening.
Not going to happen.
It's not going to happen, so.
We got what we got.
Yeah.
But I really appreciate you taking it for a ride and giving me your feedback of what you thought of the car.
Yeah.
Because, I don't know, it's cool to be able to get this experience sometimes, to see what other people think, knowing that the i8 is just different. But at the same time, it's different, unique, and it gives you those creature comforts as well as a great driving experience. So Thanks for coming along with me.
Absolutely. Thank you.
There we go.
We do a pound because we got different hands.
That's right. That's right.
I can't dap this hand that's holding the camera.
So I'm going to wrap this up. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Ring that bell for notifications. I'll be posting more i8 content. Thanks for watching, and happy motoring.